Hi, I'm James. It is you, my birth ego shirt review. This is James. It isn't a hack a spell together. USA. They kept it in America. It isn't a flag. It isn't a bird. It is a mingo. It fly like a bird. It is a mingo. It isn't an eagle. Fly like a bird. It isn't a flag. And dark blue is so pretty. Make it soft and pretty. Make it fuzzy. This here, there's an eagle. It fly like a bird. It fly in the airplane. It's really high up in the sky. And the birds in the cloudy outside. That could be fundamental along with my shirt review. So, I do recommend give 5 4-star visit my birds eagle shirt review. Thank you. Thumbs up.